Hi everyone. So we came to well, it's like a park, but there's also a river, I believe. And we came here to see if we find some ducks so we could feed them some bread from Mexico. It's actually called a sema. A sema. It's basically, I think it's a wheat bread. This one that we have. We didn't really like it. It didn't have flavor, so we're gonna feed it to the ducks. So this is how it looks around us. This is the parking. And the river's down there. My nephews are so excited. They don't even know what we're coming over here for. Yeah, you guys. So, sorry, that was a mosquito that flew into my face. We'll see how this goes, okay? Wow. We're gonna be going down here, and that boat is actually there because they have like cruises, and it's like a restaurant in water. I'm not sure the days that it's available. We gotta bring the ducks over here. Wow, the water is pretty high. Siéntate, diles que se sientan. Diles que se sientan. So here we are. Okay. Can you hold the phone? I'll take care of them. Ya, les voy a dar un pedacito. A ver, aquí, ¿ok? Mira. Agarra este pedacito y le vas a mochar así, mira. Agárralo. Así, mira. Así, mira. Así, mira. Así, mira. Sí. Sí, ¿ok? Y luego lo vamos a aventar así. A ver, ahorita a ver si vienen.
Sí, ¿viene? Sí.
No, looks like the dogs are too far. Oh, wait, they're coming. They see food as soon as you start throwing things, they see it.
Tiani.
Come on. So you guys, this is how the sema looks like. It was a big circle. It's a wheat bread. Doesn't have any flavor to it, but I'm sure the birds are enjoying it. Seagulls. Seagulls. Look at the other geese. Wow, they're starting to come. They're like, there's a party over here. Oh, look, we got a little duck over here. Oh, look, we got some back here too. They're coming. Look. Look. Look back here. They're starting to come on this side also. Hazte más para atrás, Adrián. Dale de comer, dale. Dáselo. No. There's someone fishing over there. From here, I'll cut out some of the parts and then we can look for the first one. Wow. Oh, look, the geese came. The geese came. Wow. Wow. Look, we got a combination of 3 types of ¿cómo se dicen aves? Something with the A also. We got ducks, geese, and seagulls. Have you ever seen them all combined? They're actually friends. Look. Look. Oh, don't fight. Adriana, se nos para atrás, hijo. Looks like he wants to fish. He's gonna fish. We're almost done. Mira el geese. We're seeing the birds. Adrián, hazte para atrás. Hazte para atrás. Ajá. Hazte para atrás, Adrián. Los seagulls are scared of the geese. Adrián, hazte para acá. Here, one for you too. Corre. Oh, these are Adrián, hazte para... Thank you, Adrián. Thank you, Adrián. Mira, Adrián, so nice. Se fue y le dio ya. Yeah, come on. Say bye. Don't take it off. Oh. Okay, bye birdies. That was it.
Bye.
That was so fun, you guys. Next time we'll feed the smaller birds, the ones that only eat seeds. Wow. Well, this was it, you guys. We still got more birds flying in, but there's no more food. They'll pick up the ones from the sidewalk. And you guys, a lot of people might consider this littering because you're throwing, you know, food or trash in the water. But I rather feed it to the birds than throw this bread away. We were gonna throw it away, and it was brought to us by a friend from Mexico, and I just thought, instead of throwing it away, I don't like throwing food away, why don't we feed it to birds or ducks? And we don't go out often, especially when the weather isn't as lovely as today. But I'm so glad that we were able to do this. It's a good act, the way I see it, because in the Bible God says that he doesn't leave a single animal, a single bird without eating, because obviously birds, you know, they don't have a job, they don't have to, they have to look for their food, but they're always finding food. They're always you know, God's blessing them because they always have something to eat, no matter when or where or what it is. And he says that that's how he works with us, with humanity. He takes care of all of us, and he feeds us also. So that's a blessing that we were able to provide some food for some of the birds. Okay, and here we are back up the stairs, and here's the park. We're just gonna walk straight ahead. Should we walk this way or this way? I don't know if there's sidewalk over there. Is there? We're gonna go ahead and go to the carousel over there so the kids can enjoy a ride before we head home. Look, there's a so lovely when people just come out to the park and enjoy nature, enjoy a moment of silence, or hearing just how the city sounds like. Abel, dile hola. He even said hi. He was gonna say hi, and then he was gonna say hola in Spanish. So he's like, hola, ¿cómo dijo? Hola. Combination of hi and hola. Hola. So lovely out. They're so tired. They're not used to all this walking. This is in downtown from where we live, and I'm so glad that we live near a river and just a place where you can enjoy nature. Hurry up, guys. We're here. Other side. Vente, vente, vente a ver. They're so excited. Vente a ver. There's a store in there. Huh? No eres nada, hijo. It's a big carousel.
Anybody? Yeah, thank you, sir. Can I have your token? Thank you.
Now I'm not gonna get on, but I'll be watching them from here.
For free also if you'd like.
Should I? Okay. Thank you.
Yep, of course.
Here then, I'll help you. Bríncale. Una. Wow, Abel. Can I'll be with Abel. Wow, Abel, where are you on? On a horsey. Wow. This is the first time I'm on a carousel, you guys. Yep. Ready? Whoa, it goes up and down, you guys. Wow. Abel. Abel, mira para acá. A la cámara. We're going round and round. You like it? Their horse names are right up there. Kate. If you've never brought your kids to a carousel, I very much recommend it. It's so magical.